Ready to turn your passion for organization or captivating imagery into a passive income stream? Today, we're diving headfirst into creating a calendar for Amazon KDP. First, choose your calendar niche. Think pets, travel, inspirational quotes, or even specific hobbies. Then, fire up your chosen word processor. Set your page size to match the calendar dimensions you want. 85 by 11 inches is a popular choice. Margins are crucial. Leave at least 5 inches all around to avoid printing issues. Next, create your calendar grid. You can insert a table or use text boxes. Ensure each day's box is big enough to write in at the dates, days of the week, and any holidays or special occasions. Consider adding yearly overviews at the beginning or end of your calendar. Now for the fun part: design. Add relevant images related to your chosen niche to each month. Select appealing fonts that are easy to read and visually complement your theme. Remember to maintain a consistent design style throughout. Your cover is your calendar's first impression. Use a tool like Canva to create an eye-catching design. Include the calendar year, a captivating image, and a clear title. Be sure to adhere to Amazon KDP's cover size guidelines. Once your interior and cover are ready, save them as separate PDF files. Log into your Amazon KDP account and start a new paperback project. Fill in the required details: title, author, description, and keywords. Upload your interior and cover PDFs. Preview them thoroughly to catch any errors, and then set your pricing. Finally, hit that publish button and watch your calendar make its way to potential customers. Remember to promote your calendar on social media to drive sales. You've just created a product for Amazon KDP. Subscribe for more self-publishing tips and tricks.